home of the king of selfies. This is the kitchen, probably the largest in the country. You got a fireplace there cooking when you come to the reserva. This is my 7-bedroom and suite rural home, and that's another 4 luxury villa bedrooms, right? And then over there, what you see scattered over there, there's 20 bedrooms and another 20 bedrooms and suite over there. And right in front of us is our Hirozega, where my father and mother are buried, right? Yeah, my brother Innocent stays at home here in the rural areas, takes care of business. Here is me, the king of selfies, Pamusha kwa Zvimba. Trying to check how things are. I want to fix up this place, make sure that the other side, which is over there, is completed. I want to make sure that this place is looking good like ever before. Yeah, I'm 56 and nobody knows where I'm going. So I want to make sure all the things are functioning. The generator is working. There's water here. There's electricity. There's Wi-Fi. There's satellite here. So, hey, it's like you're living somewhere. So, yeah, the king of selfies, right here in the rural areas. I came with my GL. You know the old GL? The Formatic, the GL 320. That's the one I'm using today. Right, making sure things are happening here. This is the king of selfies, right here in Murombedzi, Zvimba, where I'm at the rural home of PC, the king of selfies. Pazvimba bana, kuno kumusha. Ubo.